Ito guys, yung sa ibang lugar naman ito. I mean sa ibang side ng beach sa Oman. Oh, see how wide it is. It's so nice. Oh, more dates here. It's a dates. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, namunga na ang dates. Oh. Basta mamunga na ang dates, wala na. Summertime. It's too hot. Wow. Huwag tayo sa dagat. Maganda rin dito kasi malapad, sobrang lapad. Sa dulo na ito ng na beach. Hindi ka na makapaglakad ng nakapaagas kasi sobrang init o makapaso. Yan guys, oh, sa tabi yan ng dagat lang. Pero dito, yan oh, lahat yan dates. Namumunga na ngayon kasi tag-init na. Going tag-init na. May bagong barista dito. Na ino-open nila. Puntahan natin yan siya guys. Tingnan natin anong nakukuha niya na clams. Chinese. Wow. You see, oh. Yung nakukuha niya, oh.
Patient. Indeed.
A few moments later. Kinabukasan guys, ito din ang nag-udyok sa amin na manguha ng clams dahil sa dami ng nakuha ng Chinese sa hapon. You remove first the rock. You see guys, oh. Holiday kasi dito guys kasi nag-celebrate ang ating mga kapatid na Muslim, mga brothers and sisters sa Eid Mubarak. I found more and bigger. You sit here nearby me so I can see. Nakala ko anong kunin niya. Yun pala yung balde ito pala. Tingnan natin kung marami siyang makukuha. Exciting. Yan lang nakuha niya guys. In less than an hour. Yan sa akin guys, yan na nakuha ko. Yan. Dami. Less than an hour lang yan. 2,000 years later.
They redid a lot of the on and off ramps lately.
haven't yet to subscribe our channel, I invite you guys to subscribe us and hit the notification bell so you are updated. So many of them today, right?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if I told you there's even more. That one day I came by here, I counted almost 30 of them. They're almost always here. Right by.
Today is Saturday, so we came around to see the flamingo that they migrate here from in Oman. Actually, they are from Africa.